Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Very exciting video today. I'm really excited. I've been waiting to make this video for like a month at this point. I've just been sitting here with this huge box. It's calling my name. As you saw by the title, today we're gonna be opening up a bunch of Tokidoki blind boxes. And I'm really excited. Like, seriously, I've been waiting for like a month for this. Here is the huge box, and this thing is full of blind boxes that we have to open today. You might have seen in a recent vlog me opening that up. First of all, thank you so much to Tokidoki. I literally love Tokidoki so much, and I'm so grateful and so happy, and this is just so crazy. And so yeah, thank you guys for watching my videos and for supporting me so that I can have opportunities like this. This is like a dream come true for me. I'm tired of waiting, so let's just get right into it. First, I want to show you guys the stuff that isn't blind boxes quickly. This cherry blossom cat print backpack. So cute. And it's clear, so I think this will be good for concerts. The little cat CD keychain. This claw clip, which I've been so excited to use. I've been waiting to film this video to use any of this stuff. A little sandy carabiner. This is so cute. And then this cactus pup keychain. I actually already have opened some of these on my TikTok. Maybe I'll insert a picture of the ones that I got. I have 7 different series to open today, which is so crazy. And I have 2 of each. Let's start with the smallest first. Shimmer Cherry Blossom Unicorno Frenzies. And I really like these. I like the like phone charm ones. Here are the options. You can't really tell like the finish of them, but some of them are glittery and metallic and stuff. And I want a glittery one. Oh, this is cute. Actually, maybe this isn't the series where they have glittery ones. Maybe these are all like metallic. Her name is Prim. That's really cute. I guess I'll just go ahead and do the last frenzy. I really like all of these because they're all cute and pink. I kind of want ethereal though. Let's hope we get that one. Oh, cute. She's kind of plain. What's her name? I actually kind of can't tell. They're all very similar. I'm honestly not sure what her name is, but not the cutest. That one's not my favorite. I do really like this one. Let's get into the regular sized ones. I think I'm gonna start with this Hello Kitty butterfly garden. And I love the packaging of this one so much. It's so detailed. Here are the options. Last time I actually managed to get the chaser, which is so crazy. And that's the one that I really wanted too. I want Hello Kitty, My Melody, Kuromi, maybe Batsmaru, because he's a little mushroom and that is so cute. So we have 2 of these. I open these from the bottom because I like to save this part for my scrapbook, which is what I do with all of these packages. So now I have like so much stuff to scrapbook. First of all, here's the sticker for this one. I love the stickers. Yes! Oh my gosh, why have I forgotten her name? I'm such a fake fan. Kuromi. She's matching me today, sort of. Also, I kind of went crazy with my makeup and my hair today. I kind of don't even know what's going on, but I think it came out pretty cute. Anyway, Kuromi, so cute. And I love how they're all holding a little unicorno. That was a success. Should I do both of them back to back? I don't know what order I want to go in. Okay, I think I'll do a different one. I'm gonna do the Lucky Cats one. And these are cool because their arm moves and they all have a bell on their collars, so maybe you can hear. They have a little bit of a shake. I really want this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Last time I got this one, which I didn't really like. I don't really love green. So hopefully I don't get a duplicate. I'll be happy with any of them really, because I love cats and I really love the Tokidoki cat designs. I think they're so cute. Oh gosh, I forgot that these ones they have a card that tells you what it is. Thankfully I didn't see it. I think maybe you guys might have saw it. Let me not look. Okay. I didn't specifically want this one, but that's okay. Healing Purrs. I have a red and a green, kind of Christmas vibes. But see, their paws move. Pretty cute. Healing purrs brings you luck and health and longevity, keeping your spirit strong and vibrant. Also, one of my favorite Tokidoki designs, or like characters I guess, is the koi fish. They're so adorable. And they also come with a sticker, so here's this one sticker. I really like the calico. I hope we get that one. Next, let's do botanical bonsai. I really like these. I like the ones with nature as well. Here are the options. Last time we got this one. I really want this apple one. I like the chaser too. Or actually, white blossom bonsai. I want that one because it has the little swallow. And I really like their swallow design as well. I just love Tokidoki so much. Let's see. Here's the sticker for this one. Ooh, this one is cute. I like the little rectangle pots. Peaceful bonsai. Okay, I really like this one. That's so cute. Okay, I apologize for how many times I'm gonna say cute in this video. Somebody count, probably like 1,000. I love it. Next, cherry blossom cats. I don't know if this is a new print or like design. I kind of feel like it is. But these match the bag that they gave me. Last time I got this one, which is the one that I really wanted, and it is so cute. I love it so much. I really like any of these because again, I love the cat design. But I really want this one. Pause Play Kitty. She's doing a little cosplay. Like, that is so cute. The last one felt like it had hardly any shake because it was very big. This one is shaky. So maybe it's a small one. Here's a sticker. Oh, this is cute. She's like pearlescent. Sakura paws. All right. Not my favorite, but that's okay. Yeah, she's like white pearlescent. Wait, she literally has a little blossom as her paw print. Next, I'm gonna do Masquerade Unicorno. This is like, I love this series so much. I think I said this in the last video, but I wanted to buy some of these series so bad, but I knew this package was coming. I wasn't sure what was going to be in it though, so I just held off. And I'm really glad they sent me some of these because I really like this collection. Here are the options. Last time I got this one and it's so cute, but I really want the chaser for this one. I know like getting 2 chasers would be crazy, but it's the Phantom of the Opera themed, and I love the Phantom of the Opera so much, so I really want the chaser. If I don't get this one, I'm probably just gonna look it up and buy it because I really like it. I really want Imperial Jester also. That one is so fun. I just love this series. And this one comes with a bunch of parts because it has like the mask and the stand. This one just really feels worth your money because of all the parts. So here's the sticker for this one. Ah, okay. Ooh, that's pretty. What do we get? Imperial Serpent. That's pretty cute. Again, I don't really love green, so it's not my favorite, but I like the snakes. And then here is the little mask with the snakes as well. And then they magnetize to it, which is so fun. So cute. And then you have the stand for the mask when you don't want it on there. I also have 2 of the Soft and Sweet vinyl plush, but I'm gonna save these for last because I'm really excited for these ones. So this is gonna be like the finale. I love these ones as well. Let's do another Lucky Cat. Again, I really want the calico. Ah, I forgot about the card again. Okay, I didn't see it. Okay, not the calico, but I did like this one. Positive Kitty. Positive Kitty radiates positivity and happiness, bringing pure joy your way. Here's her little arm. I want to do the other Hello Kitty one. I kind of just want my Melody now to go with my Kuromi, or Hello Kitty, of course. Oh, my light died. But we got Batsmaru. He's a lot more like pink than I thought he was gonna be. That's really cute. And I like the unicorn that he's holding. He's cute. I wanted him as well. I would have like gone crazy for this in like 2021. I was really into mushrooms and Sanrio at that time, and I still like it. Let's do cherry blossom cats. Okay, again, hoping for pause play kitty. Oh, this one is cute. She's laying with her little cherry blossoms. Sakura kitty. I like this one. And she's like pearlescent as well. Let's do our last botanical bonsai. Again, I want apple bonsai or white blossom bonsai. Yes! Apple bonsai! Yes! OMG, it's so cute. I love how he's like standing up. That is so cute. I'm so happy with this one. I said it already, but I love this series. My favorite My Little Pony was always Applejack, and this is like a Tokidoki Applejack. We're getting down to my last ones. I'm getting sad. I have one more Masquerade Unicorno. Hoping for Imperial Jester or the Chaser. Okay, I'll try not to look at the mask. Oh, okay, this one's fun. I did like this one as well. Majestic Aristocrat. Pretty cute. I like this one. Hopefully the Chaser isn't like $1 million on eBay or something, because I need it. It's finally time for these bad boys. I'm so excited. I really did want to buy these for myself, so I'm so glad that they sent these to me as well. I like all of these three, and then the purple one. And the mint one is okay too. Ah, the white one. Cloudy Biscotti. That's pretty freaking cute. Let's see about the extras, because I wasn't sure. Oh, I think they put 2 of these in here. That's kind of funny. Wait, it does have a sticker, but it's like rectangular. This is cute. This is nice. It's like a neutral, so it will match any bag. Last one. Let's hope for a colorful one. I really want the pink one most of all. Purple. Okay, not bad. I got 2 of the bear ones, which is kind of interesting. Lavender Biscotti. I really wanted Donatella, but that's okay. Aw, they're cute, and they kind of match me as well. Alright, I guess that's it for this video. I feel like this video might be kind of short. Again, huge thank you to Tokidoki. I love you guys so much. And if you're seeing this, please keep sending me blind boxes. Please. But even if they don't, I'm so grateful for this experience and this opportunity. Here's a little overview of everything that I got. I think my favorites from today are definitely the botanical ones. And then, honestly, these ones. I really like the amount of detail in them. So cute. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you would like to see more, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!